Hello, everyone, and thank you for joining today. My name is Marta Rosell, and I am here to present the challenge of the Catalan Tourism Board. The mission of the Catalan Tourism Board is to promote Catalonia internationally and to support connections between local tourism businesses and international markets. In this session, I would like to introduce a specific GovTech challenge for which we are looking to collaborate with innovative startups and small and medium-sized enterprises like you. On the next slide, we'll talk about context and the problem. At the Catalan Tourism Board, we manage data on both tourism, supply, and demand. By supply, we refer to hotels, travel agencies, and tourism service providers within the destination. And by demand, we mean tour operators, agencies, and potential buyers from international markets. Currently, our data is fragmented across multiple systems and not structured in a way that allows us to use it effectively. We have a relatively solid data foundation on the supply side, but the information of data about international buyers, the demand, is much more limited and harder to analyze. As a result, identifying the right connections between supply and demand relies heavily on manual work and individual knowledge. These facts limit our ability to prioritize high-value opportunities and act in a scalable way. The third slide, we were talking about bottlenecks and constraints. Well, from a system perspective, we face several key bottlenecks: unstructured data, limited visibility of demand, and matching processes that are not scalable. At the same time, we have a strong foundations to build on. We already operate within Microsoft ecosystem, including Dynamics 365 and the Power Platform, and have a base of registered users and companies within our systems. Together with our technological partner, we're also working on the development of more detailed and enriched company profiles. The challenge, therefore, is to leverage what already exists and transform this data into actionable, scalable intelligence. The next slide talk about the challenge. Well, this brings us to the core of the challenge. We're looking for solutions that can help us move from fragmented data to intelligent B2B connections, built around 4 key capabilities. First, qualifying and enriching data on both the supply and demand sides using a combination of internal and external data sources. Second, building a structured B2B profiles of companies, buyers, and operators that allows us to truly understand who they are, which markets they operate in, and what they are looking for. Third, enabling intelligent segmentation by creating automated clusters of supply and demand based on potential target markets and a real-world context such as market maturity, seasonality, and regulatory and geopolitical changes. And finally, exploring data-driven matchmaking through recommendations models that helps us identify and prioritize high-value B2B opportunities. The overall goal is to reduce manual effort and to support better, faster, and more scalable decision-making. And why we think this is a strong pilot? Well, represents a strong pilot opportunity for startups because you will be working on a real concrete challenge using real data with direct impact on international promotion and strategic decision-making. The pilot will start with control, high-quality data set or registered users database with clear potential to scale across all broader CRM data and into additional markets. In addition, the solution has a strong replication potential, not only within the tourism sector, we think, but also across other public sector contexts facing similar data and matchmaking challenges. And to sum up, well, in short, this challenge is about qualifying data, segmenting intelligent and connecting supply and demand in a smarter way. We're looking forward to innovative, practical and scalable solutions, and to collaborating with startups ready to test and grow in a public sector environment. Thank you very much, and sorry because as I'm not sharing. And well, if you have any questions, I will be happy to answer.